Looking to make your car shine like new? Whether you're tackling tough grime or just need a quick rinse, having the right electric pressure washer can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure washers for cars that combine power, convenience, and value. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Excital electric pressure washer for car. The Excital electric pressure washer for car is engineered to provide powerful and efficient cleaning performance. It delivers an impressive maximum pressure of 4,800 psi and a water flow rate of 3.0 GPM, ensuring that even the toughest dirt and grime are effectively removed. The washer's pump is designed for durability and corrosion resistance, requiring no maintenance, which enhances convenience and longevity. To add extra assurance, the product comes with a 2-year warranty. One standout feature of this pressure washer is its snow foam lance. This attachment allows you to spray a thick, dense foam directly onto surfaces without forcing cleansers through the pump, thereby extending the pump's lifespan. The foam clings to the surface longer, enabling a deeper and more thorough cleaning, which is particularly useful for automotive detailing and other delicate cleaning tasks. Assembly is straightforward and quick, allowing users to have the pressure washer ready for operation within minutes. The user-friendly design simplifies the setup process, eliminating common frustrations associated with complicated equipment. The washer is equipped with 4 universal nozzle tips to accommodate different cleaning needs. The 0-degree tip produces a concentrated, high-pressure stream suitable for breaking down stubborn dirt on hard surfaces. The 25-degree tip delivers a medium-pressure spray, ideal for gentler cleaning tasks on wood decks, vinyl sidings, and other softer materials. This range of tips offers versatility, enabling the user to adjust the cleaning intensity to suit various surfaces and requirements. Overall, the Excital electric pressure washer combines robust performance, innovative features like the snow foam lance, and ease of use, making it a practical choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean car or household surfaces efficiently. Coming in at number 4, the Ozhoc electric pressure washer for car. The Ozhoc electric pressure washer for car is designed to deliver powerful cleaning performance with an 1,800-watt motor capable of generating up to 4,800 psi of pressure and a maximum flow rate of 3.2 GPM. This robust power allows it to efficiently clean a variety of surfaces beyond cars, including bicycles, fences, sidewalks, walls, gardens, yards, and outdoor furniture, making it a versatile tool for outdoor maintenance. Equipped with a professional safety design, the pressure washer features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released. This energy-saving function not only reduces power consumption but also extends the life of the pump. Additionally, a safety lock mechanism prevents accidental operation by children, adding an important layer of protection for families. The washer's lightweight and portable design make it easy to maneuver. It includes special wheels that allow it to move smoothly like a trolley, and a 25-foot hose provides excellent reach, enabling users to clean hard-to-access areas such as roofs or higher walls without difficulty. The included accessories can be conveniently stored on designated hooks on the unit, ensuring all tools remain organized and accessible. Versatility is further enhanced by 5 quick connect nozzles designed for various cleaning tasks. The 0-degree nozzle delivers concentrated, super high pressure, ideal for removing stubborn dirt from hard surfaces. The 15-degree nozzle offers strong pressure suited for cleaning concrete and brick, while the 25-degree nozzle provides medium pressure perfect for softer surfaces like wood decks and vinyl siding. The 40-degree nozzle applies gentle pressure, making it safe for delicate surfaces like windows and screens. An included foam cannon generates rich bubbles to give cars a thorough, gentle wash. With its combination of power, safety features, portability, and adaptable nozzles, the Ozhoc electric pressure washer is well equipped to handle a wide range of cleaning needs efficiently and effectively. At number 3, we have the Autovit electric pressure washer for car. The Autovit electric pressure washer for car is a high-performance cleaning tool designed to deliver powerful and efficient washing. Equipped with an 1800-watt universal motor, it generates a maximum water pressure of 4,800 psi and a flow rate of 2.9 GPM, providing strong cleaning power to quickly remove dirt and grime from vehicles and other surfaces. This pressure washer features 4 adjustable quick-connect spray nozzles, allowing users to switch between different pressure levels for various cleaning tasks. Whether tackling light dirt or tougher stains, the interchangeable nozzles enhance versatility and improve overall cleaning efficiency. The device comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 16-foot power cord, offering ample length to reach around vehicles or other cleaning areas without the hassle of frequently repositioning the unit. This extended reach ensures convenience and flexibility during use. Safety is a key feature of the Autovit pressure washer, incorporating a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. This function helps save energy and extends the life of the pump by preventing unnecessary operation. Designed for ease of use and storage, the washer includes a wheeled upright trolley that makes it easy to move and transport safely. Additionally, mesh storage pockets on both sides provide a place to hold the spray gun, while a cable hook keeps the electric cord neatly organized. This thoughtful design simplifies handling and keeps everything compact and accessible. Overall, the Autovit electric pressure washer combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features to provide an effective solution for car cleaning and various other outdoor washing needs. Next up at number 2 is the LeHao Tool electric pressure washer for car. The LeHao Tool electric pressure washer for car is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed to tackle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. Equipped with an 1800W motor, this pressure washer delivers an impressive 5,000 psi water pressure and a 3.5 GPM flow rate, making it highly effective for cleaning decks, driveways, vehicles, and other outdoor equipment. One of the standout features of the LeHao Tool pressure washer is its adjustable pressure control, which is managed through a digital touchscreen interface. This allows users to easily modify the water pressure to suit different surfaces and cleaning needs. For more delicate garden surfaces, lower pressure settings help prevent damage, while higher pressure options are available for removing stubborn debris from tougher materials like concrete. The presence of manual plus buttons adds further precision to the pressure adjustment process. To enhance cleaning versatility, the pressure washer comes with 5 distinct spray nozzles, each designed for specific applications. These include a 0-degree nozzle for pinpoint blasting, 15-degree and 25-degree nozzles for medium to wide spray patterns, a 40-degree nozzle for gentle rinsing, and a soap applicator nozzle for applying detergents. This selection allows users to optimize cleaning efficiency based on the surface and the type of dirt or grime being removed. Portability and storage convenience have been thoughtfully addressed in the design of this pressure washer. It features an integrated hose reel and attachment hooks, keeping all accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. Additionally, the retractable handle, combined with durable wheels, enables smooth transportation across flat outdoor surfaces, making it easy to maneuver the unit during cleaning sessions. Overall, the LeHao Tool electric pressure washer offers a robust combination of power, adaptability, and user-friendly features that make it a reliable choice for maintaining cleanliness around vehicles and various outdoor areas. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gisam electric pressure washer for car. The Gisam electric pressure washer for car delivers impressive cleaning power with its robust 2200-watt motor, generating up to 2600 psi of water pressure. Equipped with an air-cooled industrial motor, it blasts through grime and dirt effortlessly, allowing users to cover larger areas in less time and making cleaning tasks more efficient. This makes it ideal for restoring the cleanliness of vehicles, decks, patios, and other surfaces around the home. One standout feature of the Gisam washer is its innovative 180-degree adjustable nozzle. Unlike conventional pressure washers that require switching between fixed spray nozzles, this model allows users to smoothly adjust the spray angle as needed. This flexibility adapts perfectly to different cleaning scenarios, helping achieve optimal results without the hassle of changing nozzles, saving both time and effort. Safety and durability are enhanced with the Total Stop system integrated into the washer. This system automatically stops the motor when the trigger is released, reducing wear and tear and extending the life of the machine. Users benefit from added safety and efficiency, as this feature minimizes unnecessary operation and energy consumption. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Gisam pressure washer features a compact, upright, and lightweight body that promotes easy portability. Its pistol-style grip handle ensures a comfortable hold during operation, while quick connect fittings simplify setup and storage. Overall, the ergonomic design, combined with powerful performance, makes this pressure washer a reliable and user-friendly cleaning solution for a variety of outdoor tasks.